Hey, I want to make a video on comparing decimals. Okay? Comparing decimals are really simple. Notice there's one number behind the decimal here compared to one number behind the decimal here. In other words, it's one number, so it's easy. The same amount of numbers, obviously a 9 is bigger than a 2. 9/10 is bigger than 2/10. Obviously 7/10 is bigger than 3/10. 7 is bigger than 3. 1 is less than 4, so the fish is going to be swimming towards the 4. All right. Again, the fish swims towards the biggest number. Right here we have two numbers behind the decimal and only one number behind the decimal. Same with here and here. So this is what you have to do, and this is real simple. Make the numbers you're comparing have the same number of digits. This has 2 digits, so let's add a 0 there, and it changes nothing. It's the same value. 2/10 is the same as 20 hundredths. Now it's simple. 20 is bigger than 12. 70 is bigger. 70 hundredths is bigger than 35 hundredths. 10 hundredths is bigger than 9 hundredths. So, again, add these zeros, and it'll make it a lot easier. Here we have 3 numbers behind the decimal. Here we only have 1, so let's add 2. Obviously, that's equal. 50 is bigger than 9. 700 is bigger than 88. 700 thousands is bigger than 88 thousands. Let's do some more. This one has one number in front of the decimal. This has nothing in front of the decimal. Let's see what I do here. Okay, I see how we made it the same amount. We made this have one number in front of decimal, just like over here, and we put 2 zeros here, so it would have 3 numbers behind the decimal, just like it does here. Obviously, 4.300 is bigger than 0.999. Remember, all numbers that don't have a decimal, you can always put it right there, and that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to include that 0 because this has a number behind the decimal. Obviously, that's equal. I'm going to add a decimal and 3 zeros because this has 3 numbers behind it. And you can add a 0 there too. Obviously, 2 is bigger than 0.793.